Okay, in the previous tutorial, we looked into how we can install Livewire on a Laravel project, and we created our first Livewire component, multi-file component, and we uh, we created two buttons in the blade file and two functions in the class file. We we used via click action to call these functions, so we can increase or decrease the count public property here. Okay, so as you can see here, it is now working as the previous tutorial. Today let's talk about how we can pass data into this function, so we can accept here and uh, we can do any manipulation inside the functions. Okay, actually it is pretty easy. I'll rename this function as increment uh, by 2, and I rename this as well increment by 3. Okay, and I'll accept parameter here. Let's say int number, and this is int number, and equal to count, not this number. Okay. Here it is, this count number. Now we have to pass these parameters. Okay, that's actually pretty easy. First I rename this methods increment by 2. So we can pass data to this function by just passing values to this method. Okay. So we can pass, so increment by 2, so we can pass 2, and here we can pass 3. So now let's see this 2, and here plus 3. Now we can refresh the page and see, if we press this button, the count will increase by 2, and when we press this button, the count will go up by 3. See, so you can see that count is going up, uh, uh, and also you can see that when we press these buttons, how Livewire is updating the elements here. So Livewire is tracking what is being changed in the page, and it is only updating that element. Let's see how we can render some real data into this bit file, and then we can pass data to these methods dynamically. Okay, here I have created some posts here in the posts table. It has title and content. Let's render them in the blade file. Okay, when we render them in the blade file, we need to know about lifecycle hooks. Lifecycle hooks are a special kind of functions. Here, as you can see, these descriptions are here. If you see this URL, let's say that mount method is called when a component is created, like the hydrate is called when a component is rehydrated at the beginning. So as you can see, there are a couple of life cycle hooks that we can use. Using these hooks, we can intercept while the Livewire component in different states. Okay. In our case, let's use this mount method to load some data into this component. So we need to load posts when the component is created. Okay. So let's say post. Uh, this is actually collection. Uh, I like to keep my methods and uh, variables yeah, typed, so it is easier to develop for me. Here, if you want, we can. This is not returning anything, so we can add void if you want. Uh, let's say public mount. Mm, these ports are there. Of course, could get okay. It is fine, but in here I would suggest you to select as well, because if this post table has many data, this would affect our performance. So let's say uh, query select id, title, and content. Okay. Now we can render posts in the bed file. Okay, I have copied the copied design here. Let's paste it. Uh, title, yes, this sounds so. As you can see, this very basic Laravel. Slow. Let's reload the page. Okay. So as you can see, the posts are loaded here. Uh, in Livewire, that is actually a good practice. Uh, you can pass via key. Here you can call post ID, because this will help Livewire to recognize individual element here while loading on the blade file. Then let's add a button here. Okay, let's copy this button and paste it here, uh, and rename this to delete. Okay, there's a delete button. It doesn't look good, but it's okay. For our case, it's okay. And let's call delete method. There is no delete method yet on the class file. Mm, let's create it. Delete. Here we can pass the post ID, so it will dynamically pass the post ID to this delete method. So we can say post ID. So in here we can accept post. We can use dependency injection here, and here we can just say post delete. That's it. So if we refresh, see, posts are being deleted. So that's how you can pass dynamic data to the method here using Livewire and live action. See you in the next video.